Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to generate AI videos in Runway in 2026. So if you want to turn text prompts into videos, create cinematic scenes, or generate content with AI, Runway makes the process surprisingly simple. First, sign into your Runway account and open your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to the available AI video generation tools. Next, click New Project and select the AI video generation feature. Depending on the latest version of Runway, you may see different video creation options available. When the video is ready, preview the result carefully. Check the motion, visual quality, and overall appearance to see whether it matches your original idea. If needed, adjust your prompt, modify the settings, and generate another version. Small prompt changes can often produce significantly different results. Once you're satisfied with the final video, use the export option to save it to your device in the available format and quality settings. Finally, keep experimenting with different prompts, camera styles, and creative concepts. So, the more you practice, the better you'll become at creating impressive AI-generated videos with Runway. And that's it. That's how to generate AI videos in Runway in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.